Hi, in this video I will talk about 3 fundamental pillars to a good Shopify sales strategy, very practical advice, and the last topic is something not so obvious that is often ignored by Shopify owners, so watch the video until the end, it really can help you. Hi, I'm Anna again, and let's talk about what to do to outshine your competitors and boost sales in Shopify. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to be creative here. There are a lot of top-notch competitors out there selling the same thing as you, so think what could you do to improve your customer's experience on your website. The first thing that comes to my mind is optimizing your Shopify store to keep the customer interested or to make them buy more products. Shopify has many apps that can help you with that. We have a list of the best Shopify apps most stores absolutely need to have installed in 2018. I've put the link in the video description. But here are 2 actions that you can take right away in your store that will help you leverage sales very quickly. The first is creating a sense of urgency in your customer, and you can do that by implementing a Shopify app that informs your customer that there is a limited stock of products, so they better hurry if they want them. And upselling, trying to make your customer add another product to their cart, and you can do that by using an app also that offers similar products when your customer is on the checkout page, or show them your latest items or the most popular ones. It usually works. Another fundamental step to boost sales in your Shopify is having the right online advertising strategy. And it comes down to 2 things: how you reach the right people and how you convince those people to go back to your website when they don't complete a purchase. So to attract people to your store, you need to invest money, whether it is in Facebook ads, which most of the times is the cheapest option, or Google ads. But to make it work, you must have the right segmentation. So if you already do some ads, try targeting your audience according to your business profile. Say if you sell cameras, target people that are interested in photography, that take photography classes, that have bought electronics recently, or that are within a certain income range, and think of messages to each one of these audiences for a better result. Many factors can make a customer drop a purchase even after being impacted by the best ad ever, and that's why we have retargeting campaigns. And they are really one of the best things ever to boost sales in Shopify. Those campaigns target people that already visited your website, so they are super interested, they are very hot clients, and therefore the CTR is cheaper, conversion rates are better. In the case of Facebook ads, for instance, you just have to set up a pixel and create lists of products you show to your customer according to the pages they visited, such as the home page, a category page, a product, the checkout page, and so on. Many Shopify owners think it stops there, but little do they know that there is one other thing that is super important for the success of a Shopify store. The third pillar is payment methods. You can do all those strategies, attract many customers, and have a lot of traffic, but no conversions at all if you're not offering the right payment methods to your customers. Integrating with a good payment gateway that fits your business needs is essential. And it's not only about credit cards. There are wallets, e-wallets, that are debit cards, alternative payment methods that your user might use and you might not be aware of. And let me say something else. Once your business is online, you have the whole world to sell to. People from all over the world can access your website. So why not take full advantage of that? It will take the same effort and you can increase your customer base and use the same strategies we've mentioned before. And to reach all of those people, the only thing you really need to worry about is offering the payment methods they are familiar with. But solving that is very easy. In Shopify, there are many payment gateways you can combine, so you can offer local payment methods at the same time you offer your global payment methods. It won't change a thing. And to be global and act like a local is a very good way of beating competitors and gaining customers, even when your business has, leveled out. So those were the 3 pillars of a smart Shopify strategy. And if you want to go deeper in the matter, we also wrote an ebook talking about successful Shopify cases that used all of these strategies and now sell more than ever, including which plugins they use, some quotes from them. It's free. It's a very rich content that can help you boost Shopify sales like right now. So that's it. I hope this video and the ebook we've written help you make a lot of money, and see you next video.